Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be reviewing Toluna. Toluna is one of the most popular survey websites that's well known for paying people when they take a survey on their website. So in this video, I will show you 7 additional ways of making money on Toluna so that it will to maximize your earning on Toluna. If you are as excited as I am, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, smash the share button, and let's get started. So you can see on the website, Toluna influencers. Influence your world, your voice plus our voice, the voice of change. If you are new to Toluna, just go and sign up, fill in your name and other details that will be asked of you, then you'll be good to go. I've already filled my own, so all I will need to do is just to log in. Enter your username, password, and let's get started. You can see on the survey center what I can earn. I have 500 points, and this 500 points is for registering. So when you register with them, you earn points, which you're already seeing here. On Toluna, 5,500 points, equivalent to £5. So this 500 points is like is like half of a pound. If I want to cash it out, that's 0.5 pound. The easiest way to earn money on Toluna, which is the most common, is by taking survey. Your survey already awaits you. Click on start, then you can start taking survey. But if you want more survey, you can go with under 10 minutes and over 10 minutes in order to get more points. If none of this interests you, you can even load more for you to see more available survey and the points associated with them. Why I like Toluna is because it gives you an estimated time that you're likely to spend taking the survey, which is very good. Like for this one, it's about 20 minutes and you earn about 2,000 points. Try a survey. It takes you to this platform that you see that's loading, and once it's loaded, it starts asking you questions. Which of the following have you done in the past month? So you answer, ask you more questions, you answer, then you earn the points that's already awaiting you. If you want to earn more on Toluna, you complete your profile surveys. They're interested in knowing you a bit better to know if you fit for their survey. So tell them about yourself, about your home and family, media and health. And for filling each of these, you can see the associated point. 100 points for home and family and 100 points for health. So give them more information about you and you get more points. Another way you can earn money on Toluna is through sponsored content. You can see we are still on survey. We've done the survey center. So the next one is sponsored content. So let's click on it and see how you can earn money through sponsored content. You can choose to vote and earn 15 points. Vote. So there are several other sponsored content that you can vote and earn money today. There are several of them that you are seeing. Just vote and you start earning money. Another way of earning money is through profile surveys. So you can see through your profile surveys, which I've explained to you earlier, there's employment 100 points, internet 100 points, there's sports and beauty 100 points. Just answer these questions about yourself and it will help you to accumulate points on Toluna. You see, we've handled the 3 ways of earning money here through surveys, survey center, sponsored content, and profile survey. Let's go to community. So you can earn money on the community tab by posting on the community, taking part in games, polls, participating in topic, battles, and Tombit. On the community, let's see what it has for us. You can earn points by voting on the community, as you are seeing. So start the survey and earn points. If you want to go by topic, you can give your own topic, and when people answer to it, you get rewarded. There's Tombit too, for you to upload images, and there's battle for you to compare images. So by being active in the community tab, posting on the community, participating in contest, and sharing your own opinion, if they're able to rank high on the community page, Toluna rewards you massively for it. So let's go to games and see how we can maximize games, community games. So game, challenge yourself with these Armstrong games. So by playing these games on Toluna, you'll be good to go. There are several games for you to play, and for each of them that you play freely, you'll be getting points, which you are convert to cash. There's topic, there's battle. Finally, we go to the reward tab. On the reward tab, you can see card and other goodies. So you can always exchange your point for paper cash or Amazon gift card, Starbucks coffee are available for you, or several other options. Let's see more options. Another way of earning money on Toluna is by inviting your friend. You can see, invite a friend, which is what they call affiliate marketing. You can share it on Twitter or Facebook. When somebody sign up on Toluna using your link, you earn 500 points. That's massive. You can share it on Facebook or share it on Twitter. The final way you can earn money is by starting your own contest or participating in contest using the pool, topic, and Tombit options that you are seeing. There's popular, there's recent, there's recommended. So just fill in your details and earn extra points with Toluna wins. So let's go down and explore it. This is the community where you get extra points. You can watch the video. Hope I was able to give you a good and comprehensive opinion on Toluna, how it works, and how you can maximize your earning on this platform. So if you're interested in earning more money through survey, the key way of earning more money on survey is not just using one survey, but by combining multiple survey websites. So what this video that's played on the screen, in order for you to earn money from Swagboss, it even has more way of earning money than Toluna. Thank you. Bye. And remember, smash the like button, smash the share button, smash the subscribe button, and let's get started.